Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products on Twitter. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not, as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this technique. It's called the Twitter search technique, and it's super powerful because it's free, number one, and also you get really targeted traffic to your Clickbank offers. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to pick an offer to promote, and I'm going to recommend that you do either e-business or e-marketing or health and fitness. You're going to go to the marketplace here on Clickbank. Let's pick health and fitness because this time of year, it's almost Christmas time. People are going to want to lose weight after the holidays. So I think this is a great thing to promote. So you would go here to health and fitness and then sort by gravity. That'll tell you how many affiliates have sold this offer in the last month. The top one is Red Tea Detox. That's been out for a while. This is a brand new one in December. The fat decimator system, and the training that I went through, they used this as an example, and I think this is a really good product to promote because look at the gravity is 210. It sells really, really well. And also they have this affiliate page that they have some really incredible tools for you to promote this. Okay, so you're going to go to Google and type in search.twitter, and you're going to click on the top one that comes up. We're going to go to Twitter and find out what people would be talking about who would want to have your product, as that your product would provide a solution to whatever their problem is. So if we pick this particular Clickbank product here, fat decimator system. So this is going to help people get rid of body fat and lose weight. So we want to come here and type in what do you think people would be talking about, and you want to do an exact match. So we're going to put it in quotation marks. So I need to lose body fat. We don't even have to put fast, just put body fat, and then you're going to put minus HTTPS and minus HTTP so that you don't get any websites in there that people are promoting something. You want actually that people are talking about that they need to lose body fat. Then you're going to click on latest right here. And that's going to give you the latest things that people are tweeting about. So you can see this person says, I need to lose body fat all over. This person says, ugh, I need to lose body fat again, but motivation, I don't know her. There's all kinds of people that are talking about, I need to lose body fat. So these are super targeted. This is super targeted traffic that you can use. But you're not going to send these people just to your affiliate offer. You're going to actually create a pre-sale page, which is going to be a blog post. And when you go here and you click here, you're going to sign up to be an affiliate. That's free. And this is the affiliate page, and you can see all these tools that they have over here. I mean, you can even cloak your links here. But what we're looking for is the articles right here, and you're going to download an article. And then you're going to go to WordPress. You can do this completely free. Create a blog post page and make sure you put images in there and make it look really good, really interesting to read. And that's what you're going to send people to. So in this case, you would either send them a direct message here, or I would say just reply to their tweet. So you would say something like, hey Stephanie, I see you were talking about that you need to lose body fat. I just wrote a blog post about that. You can check it out here, and then a link to your blog post. Rather than, in of course, in your blog post, you'll have links to your affiliate offer here. So that's just an indirect way of selling that I guarantee you every single person is going to be curious about that and click on it and just take a look at what you have. And the articles are very, very well written. They also show you the keywords here that you can use to type into the search here in Twitter and target those people with the offer. Another thing you can do is take that keyword, I need to lose body fat, to find out other keywords besides what they're listing in here, and go to a website called answerthepublic.com, ANSERTHEPUBLIC.com. And this guy always cracks me up. Anyway, you're going to come here. This is a site where these are the type of questions that people are asking around a certain topic. So, I need to lose body fat. Okay, and then it's going to come up with what kinds of questions are people asking. And then these are even more keywords that you can go back and search in Twitter. Okay, so it'll have it in the middle what the keyword is, and then these are questions over here. I want to lose body fat and gain muscle. And then you can go here, click on data, and then it has them all listed out here as far as how many searches a month. So these are some really, really great keywords to use with this Clickbank product here. Okay, so that's basically the whole technique, is just finding people who are talking about things that your product would solve their issue. Okay, so then what I learned in the training, this is what you need to do. This is very time consuming, but it's really super powerful because you're going to get a lot of targeted traffic to your blog post and to your offer. But you want to tweet at least 200 times a day. And I don't know if you have a job, this is not going to be easy for you, but you can outsource this. And there's a website, I think it's Online PHP. Let me see if that's it. No, that's not it. But there's a website that people are from the Philippines, and you can pay them like $2 an hour, literally $2 an hour, and they could be doing these tweets for you, like while you're at work. I'm going to find that website for you. Hold on, let me go through there. Okay. I think it's PHP online job. Let me look that up. There it is. Sorry about that, but it's just kind of an unusual onlinejobs.ph. And you can go here. All these people are from the Philippines, and you can post a job. You want them to tweet 200 times a day for you, and you can hire them for just very, very little money. Okay, so that's just something that you can do. It's free. You can tweet all day long and get people to your offer. Super powerful. You're going to get traffic, and I can't guarantee or get sales, but if you get enough traffic to it, it will convert, because this looks like a really good offer right here. This the fat decimeter system. It's converting very, very well. So you get enough traffic to it, you're going to do well. So that's just an idea of how you can promote Clickbank products on Twitter. This is probably something that not a lot of people are doing. And you don't have to have a following on Twitter. That's the great part about it too. You just go in and search. Of course, you want to create a profile, want to have something in your niche. So if it's health and wellness, you want something have a little banner here. Go to Fiverr, have them create a banner for $5 and have it look professional. So, but you don't have to have a following. That's the great part about it, and it's completely free. So I hope you guys found value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, if you want to learn more about how to make money online and these type of topics with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.